Hey everybody, and welcome to, it's been a hot doggone minute since we have done a Fabfitfun unboxing on the channel. I'm excited to do the Fabfitfun box. They sent it, I don't know, it's probably been about a week and a half. So I'm a little delayed on getting everything up, but yeah, I'm excited to unbox it. I haven't unboxed it in years. I used to purchase it, and then I was like, no, because back in the day, BoxyCharm was coming in hot with their whatever their quarterly box was, but we know how that went. So I was really excited when they were like, hey, you want to take a chance? You want to open it? You want to see? We'll send it to you. I was like, yeah, I'll give you all one more shot. So thank you to Fabfitfun for sending this box over my way. Before we jump into today's video, I do want to give an updated thank you to my YouTube members. These are, as the day I am filming this and editing this, our current YouTube members over here on the channel. Thank you guys bunches and bunches for helping to support the channel. I greatly appreciate you all. Thank you to those of you that are clicking that thanks button here on YouTube. It's something that's new, and it's pretty much like what I'm calling tipping the channel. Thank you to those of you who are clicking that and never feel like you have to, but I just want to give you guys a special little shout out and thank you. And I do want to give a big thank you to Liquid IV. So they had sent over a PR box, and I was gonna wait and unbox it in like a PR unboxing for y'all, but my son loves Liquid IV, and he's like, Mom, no, please, let's see what you got. He gets really excited over the PRs. So they did send over this adorable, really nice backpack. I don't think it's available on their site, but I'm gonna try and get this video edited and uploaded to y'all as soon as possible, because Liquid IV is having a huge Labor Day sale, and my coupon code Hotmess Momma 4, I'll pop it up on the screen for y'all. That is going to save you 30% off, and they came out with new kid-friendly flavors. So if your kiddos, you know, weren't drinking the other ones, you guys, trust me, my 19-year-old was pretty excited over this. He's already gotten into them. They are 19-year-old approved. Well, almost. He'll be 19 here in a couple weeks. They've got crisp apple, they've got cotton candy, they have banana, and these are perfect for, honestly, packing in the lunches. They sent over this water bottle. I don't know about y'all's kids, but mine, ever since they were little, would always take drinks with them, like water with them to school, water bottles. So this is perfect, and it's perfect for their lunches, what have you. You just put it in an 8-ounce little water bottle. This video is not sponsored, by the way, but I did want to let y'all know. So you can see, you can just pack this right into their lunch, and they can make it, or you can make it for them and pack it in their lunch. On top of that, they do have tropical punch and Concord grape, which Concord grape, you know, is my favorite flavor. And then they did send over the tropical punch for my size. So anyways, thank you to Liquid IV, and they also sent over the cutest flippin' grown-up water bottle. So I'm gonna be matchy. And anyways, if you guys want to save that 30% while the Labor Day sale is going on, definitely make sure to check them out. So, and then I do want to give a little reminder that Built Bar, they have come out with a bunch of new flavor puffs. They did send over the animal cookie flavor, which this is one that they have brought back because it's good. Now, y'all know my puffs are my favorite. I love the puffs. I feel like they're just like a nice little treat and everything. So definitely make sure to check out, while you know you're on your little health kick journey with Liquid IV, check out Built Bar, and code HOTMESS will save you 10% in case, unless they're having a sale, it's going to save you more. But the flavors over at Built Bar, amazing. Okay, let's jump into our fall box from Fabfitfun. It says pumpkin and spice and everything nice. Now this is a quarterly box, this is not monthly, and they let code HOTMESS save you money off your first box with Fabfitfun. Now Fabfitfun is a lifestyle type of box, so you're going to see a variety of things. You may see beauty in here, you may see some, you know, like I said, lifestyle stuff in here, but that was the one thing that turned me on to Fabfitfun in the beginning, was the fact that it was a variety of things. things. Now they did let me customize the box, and depending on which subscription level that you choose, you can pick more items for your box than like the standard membership. I had the standard membership before, and I got to pick a couple things in my box, and it was always nice. You can also shop with Fabfitfun as well, so they'll have like 70% off of Delios, which is nice. Oh my gosh, this is funny. This could not have come at a more perfect time. So this is the Ricola throat balm, and it's caramel flavor. Now the reason I say that is because my kids, my boys, and well, both of my kids are in college and high school and everything, and they're getting the back to school crud. So, and I love Ricola. I normally get the honey flavor. I've never tried the caramel flavor. So anyways, moving on, the next thing that is in here is by Bloom. This is the Bloom's Buds Power Patches for Acne Prone Skin. It is a 48 pack, and I thought it used to be like a catalog that came in here, but it doesn't look like I got one this time. So anywho, I will like pop up, or I will have all the information down in my description box if you guys are interested. I think I may have picked this out, to be honest with you all, but this is something that we use all the time in my house. Like, we always have pimple patches. All right, next in here, I think this is actually something that I picked, the Kukio, I think is how you say it, hand and body wash in sandalwood and sage. So I don't know, it just looked kind of aesthetically pleasing, and curious to see how it smells. Oh, it smells nice and clean. And I like that it comes with a pump as well. It'll be nice in the shower too. All right, next in here, I've got the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum, which is really nice. I've used some of the Glow Recipe products. Actually, maybe I do have this, and I really like it. I've tried quite a bit of their products, and here's a little fun fact. When it comes to hyaluronic acid, y'all, it doesn't have, maybe it does have a little scent, I don't know, but I also will put it on my body as well to help with any like crepey skin or whatever. Like, yes, I know I drink my water, yes, I put collagen in my coffee, but hyaluronic acid on your body, very nice. So if you're taking care of your face, make sure to take care of your neck, your décolleté, and I like to take care of my whole body. I mean, I'm not saying buy this and you're gonna go through it, that's gonna be expensive, but I'm just saying. No, I don't notice any scent. I smell my Sol de Janeiro. But anyways, you'll notice a difference on your skin. Because, okay, here's the thing. If you're new to the channel, welcome. This is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. I'm a little rusty, and I forgot to remind you all, a little disclaimer. Girl's gonna take left-hand turns, left and right. But I like to chat with you guys. Like, yeah, I could easily just sit here, unbox it, and call it a day. But that's not me. Like, you're not gonna be able to get a conversation out of me, and it's gonna go straight to the point. I'm a Gemini. Hello. My love language is communication. Is that a love language? I don't really know. And you know what else? I remembered. So I kept seeing these little like infomercials or whatever you want to call it over on Instagram and stuff, and people were like, if you have crepey skin, buy this Crepe Away. I don't think it was called that, but I'm just saying. So I started thinking, like, your skin's just dry. Hyaluronic acid is going to help that, and even better if you put it on after the shower. You know, find yourself a lotion or something with it. I just have, like, I am a hoarder. I have learned that even more so while cleaning out my beauty room. So I saved a bunch of my hyaluronic acid, and I just, oh, okay, that was a lot. All right, so this one is the Lodge Candle Bougie Parfum and Palo Santo and Patchouli. Let's see here. I'm not a patchouli lover. Oh, but this one is not bad at all. You know why? Because I love the Palo Santo scent. I actually really like it. I have been doing YouTube since 2017. And every time something good smelly good is like, I smell it, I want to share it with you all. YouTube. Why do we not have smell-o-vision yet? Okay, you go to Disney, you ride a ride, they poof some stuff in your face, and they got smell-o-vision. Could you imagine though if I was like this and all of a sudden whoosh, into your face was like a scent from your phone? I would probably scream. So you know what, I'm on the fence of whether or not we want that. I like this. This smells really nice. I don't feel, I have to wonder if it's gonna have a big throw to it, but it smells really good. And it would definitely be nice in like a small space, so like in your office or something. This is apparently by Free People. Oh, sure enough, God forbid I read a box. Well, you know, she was expensive. $18.09 Lodge is what it is. Aesthetically, it's really pretty too. I really like the scent. Martha's has a whole candle that is Palo Santo, and I flippin' love it. And there's a room spray, and I love that. I just love that scent. It's such a nice, clean scent, and I don't get a patchouli scent out of this, just FYI. It's definitely really nice. Okay, wow. I forgot that I think I picked this, and I'm cracking up. Oh, it's in a different color. Okay. Oh, this is cute. So I just picked up, I've got a series I'm going to be starting over on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs. You guys know over here I do Is It a Dupe or Just a Waste of Money? Well, guess what? I'm going to start a series like that over on my other channel. When I woke up in the middle of the night last night because my kiddo called, I say in the middle of the night, it was 11 o'clock at night. I was done asleep. But I have her number as like an emergency kind of dealio. So those are the phone calls that I will take, you know, when I'm sleeping. And she woke me up and it was just a random question. Everything was fine, don't worry. But when I could not get back to sleep because my body had that whole whopping, you know, 30 minutes of sleep and thought it was go time, I started thinking I should implement a series over on my vlog channel. Is it a dupe or just a waste of money? So stay tuned for that. Anyways, all of that to tell y'all, this is by Obi, and this is a waist pack. It's really cute. It's kind of got like it's not canvas. I don't know. Maybe it is canvas. Got a zipper in the front. What are you doing? Oh, you just like ninja'd right in, didn't you?
That was the plan.
Okay, mom life. So anyways, it's a little like fanny pack, and then you've got like a zipper compartment in here, and I like that. And I don't wear them around my waist, y'all. What I typically do is wear it like this, and that way I've got everything, boom, right here. I actually really like this a lot. And then on the back, it's got like this netting, so it's even more comfortable up against your skin and stuff. So this makes me really happy because like half the time anymore, I don't carry purses. I'm carrying bags like this. And then there's a zipper compartment in here as well. These are great for traveling, everything. And then the next item in here I did pick out is by Alice and Olivia. And it's a bag. It's a cute little tote bag. So you've got like your little strap. What is that called? It's got a cute little thingy right here, whatever that's called, I forget. And there you go, your cute little tote bag to go to the gym or whatever in. And I think that was the things that I picked. It says each season is customized, so you will create a box of the hottest deals that you make. It is 100% you. So these must have been all of my picks. You do get to shop anytime, and it says you get deals up to 70% off, price match guarantee, which is really nice. Find a cheaper product elsewhere, we can match the price. Build your perfect box, what I did go over. And then they've got featuring items such as this bag, which does have a retail value of $90. They also have Fenty Beauty in here as well. They have weekly drops. They've got the Our Place pan. Do you guys see that? Yeah. They have that on sale right now. I mean, I'm not going to buy it. I want it. I think it's really pretty. But it's typically $145. And if you're a member, you get it for $109. Still crazy expensive. Everybody's just be bopping around my house. Anyways, that is everything in my box. And as far as this box goes, from what I remember, I honestly thought there was more in this box. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, we got 7 things in here. I think I was just interrupted and recut and redid and all of that stuff. So I felt like there was supposed to be more, but you got 7 products in here. So like I was telling you guys, code HOTMESS is going to save you off your first box. and I think it takes it to like $49. When I break everything down, like, you know, the Free People candle is expensive. I like this a lot. I don't know, honestly, compared to some other quarterly subscriptions that I've unboxed for y'all, I do seem to like this one better than the last one. Let me know if you guys want me to go like head to head with those quarterly boxes. Is that something you guys would want to see? I don't know. Let me know down below. I don't know. Some of the products like this, I don't know why I picked it, to be honest with y'all. I think I thought it was cute, but I'm really glad I picked this. And I really like the candle. Happy with this product. Everything I know I'm gonna use. So to me, that makes it a good box. Are you coming up the stairs? Well, come on up. Anyways, let me know y'all's thoughts down below. Thank you once again to Fabfitfun for sending this box over my way. I'm definitely interested to see what the winter box is like. And I do like the fact that we do get to customize everything in here. But is that how it always is? I don't know. Now I'm thrown off because my husband's standing over there looking out the window, waiting for me to finish up. All right, I've lost my brain power. We're out. So definitely make sure to check out Fabfitfun down below. Thank you if you use my coupon code. Check out Liquid IV and Built Bar for their big sales going on during Labor Day. And let me know, are you guys getting the Fabfitfun? I will say, compared to the last one that I unboxed back in 2019, I do like this one better. The 2019 one, that's what got me to cancel. This one actually has me intrigued. Okay, I'm hopping up for now. Thank you again to my YouTube members. Thank you to those of you that are clicking the thanks button. Check me out on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, Hotmess in the Kitchen, TikTok and Instagram at hotmessmomma4. And until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! That's gonna be fun to edit.
I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when it's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way